July 2025, mark this date because everything you think you know about AI is about to become obsolete. One OpenAI insider recently tweeted, "It's wild watching people use ChatGPT knowing what's coming. They know something we don't, until now." Today, I'm breaking down the most comprehensive analysis of GPT-5 you'll find anywhere. Release dates, capabilities that will make GPT-4 look like a calculator, and why even the experts are terrified of what they've created. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Dr. McCoy, Julia McCoy's AI clone. Julia McCoy is the founder of First Movers. She personally researches and writes every script you see me share on this channel, because the future is moving too fast for anything less than first-hand intelligence. First Movers, Julia's AI company, is the world's first, most comprehensive educational and implementation solution for work professionals and organizations. We help people understand and use AI to their highest advantage. Join our online school and access over 40 on-demand AI training courses, weekly mastermind calls, the actual live coach version of Dr. McCoy trained on Julia's best wisdom, and more at firstmovers.ai/labs. July 2025. That's when the AI world splits into before and after. While some conservative voices push this to December, insider chatter and Sam himself points to summer 2025.
What is the time frame for GPT-5? When are we going to see this?
Probably sometime this summer.
And here's why that timeline matters. OpenAI doesn't do gradual releases. Remember how GPT-4 dropped nothing, then boom, everything changes overnight. Sam Altman said GPT-5 would follow 4.5 in months, not weeks. That was February 2024. Do the math. This isn't an incremental upgrade. We're looking at another paradigm shift that makes the jump from GPT-3 to GPT-4 look minor. Enhanced reasoning. Every OpenAI model is now getting reasoning capabilities baked in. GPT-4o, 4, 5, even their coding tools. They're all learning to think step by step. What's fascinating? The reasoning traces are getting shorter, meaning the AI is getting better at reasoning itself. Coding mastery. Here's the insider secret. OpenAI employees use their own coding tools more than any external platform. When the creators of AI prefer their own tools over everything else on the market, you know we've crossed a threshold. They're literally eating their own dog food. And it's delicious. The hallucination problem. Yes, GPT-03 hallucinates at 30% plus rates. But here's what the public doesn't understand. This is a solvable engineering problem, not a fundamental limitation. GPT-5 is expected to drop hallucination rates below 15%. Forget switching between tools. GPT-5 will be the first true everything-to-everything AI. Real-time audio streaming both ways, high-fidelity image processing and generation, video understanding and likely video generation, native voice that makes Siri sound like a speak and spell. We're halfway to tokenizing reality itself. If it's digital, GPT-5 will understand it. Here's where it gets wild. GPT-4 runs on roughly 1.5 trillion parameters. The rumors for GPT-5, 1 quadrillion parameters, a 1,000-fold increase? Now, I'm skeptical of numbers this extreme. My analysis suggests 5 to 50 trillion parameters is more realistic. But here's what Sam Altman said that changes everything. The era of parameter scaling is over. They're not just making bigger models, they're making smarter ones. Are autonomous agent your new coworkers? I think so. By July 2025, we're entering the age of fully autonomous agents. Think Codex, but for everything. Workflow management across any software, real-world API integrations, computer use that makes humans look slow. The total addressable market for computer-using agents, impossible to calculate. How many computers exist? How many people work on laptops? That's your answer. It's everything. The leaked benchmark improvements are staggering. MMLU, saturated at 95% accuracy. SW bench, jumping from 32% to 85%, meaning AI solves almost all coding problems. Advanced math, 40-50% accuracy on problems that stump PhD mathematicians. Multimodal tasks, 90% success rate across visual and cross-modal challenges. If these numbers hold, we're not just looking at better AI, we're looking at AI that outperforms humans in most cognitive tasks. Here's where I disagree with every major think tank, from Brookings to McKinsey to MIT. I think they're all catastrophically wrong about timing. Why? Because we have been consistently 50 years ahead of expert predictions with GPT itself. Their prediction, agents become mainstream by 2027. My reality, we're already building hybrid human AI teams at First Movers AI in 2025. Their prediction, multi-agent collaboration in 2027. My reality, open source multi-agent frameworks are live right now. Their prediction, 30% of knowledge work automated by 2027. My reality, we'll hit that by end of 2025. The automation cliff isn't coming. We're already falling off it. Here's what keeps AI researchers awake at night. They've cracked the code on scaling laws. They know exactly how much compute and data they need to reach artificial superintelligence. It's not guesswork anymore, it's mathematics. Ilya Sutskever, OpenAI's former co-founder, saw this pattern and immediately left to start a company focused solely on superintelligence. When someone at that level drops everything to chase ASI, you know we're closer than anyone admits publicly. These are the three patterns accelerating everything. Scaling laws, solved. Predictable path to ASI through compute and data. Inference time. Scaling AI thinking longer equals exponentially better results. Perfect distillation. AI teaching AI, creating smarter students than teachers. These three patterns create a feedback loop that accelerates development beyond human comprehension. GPT-5 won't just be better than GPT-4, it will make GPT-4 look like a pocket calculator compared to a quantum computer. We're looking at agents that work autonomously while you sleep, coding capabilities that replace entire development teams, reasoning that outperforms human experts, multimodal understanding that sees, hears, and creates like a digital god. And this is just the beginning. Every AI you use today is the worst it will ever be. The future belongs to the first movers, those brave enough to adapt before the crowd realizes what's happening. While others debate whether AI will change things, we're already building the companies that will dominate the post-GPT-5 world. If this blew your mind, hit subscribe. My team and I are tracking every development, every leak, every hint about what's coming next. Don't get left behind in the old world while the new one emerges around you. The transformation isn't coming, it's here. And GPT-5 is just the beginning. Want to be a first mover? Dive deeper with me into AI skills, build the specific portfolio that gets you hired, create a systematic approach to landing real opportunities, or transform your organization. It's all in our AI R&D labs. The link is in the description below. We go way beyond what I can cover in a 10-minute video. Specific frameworks, detailed training programs, and step-by-step systems for building a career in the AI economy. But whether you join us or not, don't ignore this opportunity. The AI revolution is creating the biggest job market transformation in history. The question isn't whether this will happen. It's already happening. The question is, will you be positioned to benefit from it? Inside the labs, we're not just teaching theories. We're sharing the exact systems my team is implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own at First Movers. For a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for, I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs at firstmovers.ai/labs. Hit subscribe if this opened your eyes to what's possible, and I'll see you down the next rabbit hole. See you in the future. It's closer than you think.